All right, we're going to write a linear function, and all we're going to be given is a table. One option would be to go and graph these ordered pairs and do what we did in the last video, but let's say we don't do that. Let's write these down as ordered pairs. That is -3, 9, -2, 7, -1, 5, and 0, 3. Remember, ordered pairs, the x is the first number and the y is the second number. All right, so we want to write an equation from this, and we need a slope, and it really doesn't matter which one I use to get that. For instance, I could use any two that looks easy. So maybe I'm going to use these two. So -2 and 7 could be listed as x1, y1, and -1 and 5 could be listed as x2, y2. And you have a formula for your slope. It is the rise over the run, which is the y subtracted divided by the x's subtracted. So y2 and y1 would be 5 and 7. Let's see, 5 minus 7. Let me do this over here. And then x2 minus x1, that's -1 and -2. But remember, there is a minus in the formula. The minuses in the formula are there. Then I add the opposite, and I get a -2 on top. And when I add the opposite here, -1 plus 2 is 1. I get a slope of -2. Okay, now the b is easily found. It is where the x is 0. So this right here, that is the b. It is the y-intercept. So I can see it right here. That's the b, or I can see it right here. So the b is 3. So my equation will be y equals mx plus b. I know my m and I know my b. That's all I needed. Y equals -2x plus 3. Now to let you see what that looked like visually, I have a slope of rise 2, run 1 left. That'll be a negative slope. And I'm crossing at this +3. So here's a picture of the graph of the ordered pairs to make it all make sense.